Hello YouTube users, this is William Brown. This is the update on my 1959 standard Compton. As you can see, it's pretty dirty from being in and out of dusty and dirty storage areas before being moved here about 4 years ago. As you can see, the handle is different on it. This toilet seat I picked up for it and have planned on using this. However, from Amazon, I purchased a Bemis round front, black, open front commercial toilet seat, which I think would better suit this toilet. So, it's most likely what I'm going to use. That's why I haven't taken it out of the package, in case I want to donate it to Goodwill. As you can see, the trapway is very dusty and dirty at this point. There's your turquoise standard logo. This generic handle, I've seen these manufactured for many years, and I like the way these looked as opposed to some of the other ones, especially on a tank like this. You're pretty much any, American Standard product, from the 50s all the way up to, the 70s and even the 80s. Just a nicer looking handle, and it's bigger. And as you can tell, there's a flapper in it. Here's the early to mid 1980s Fluidmaster 400A. The flapper is an adjust to flush or dial a flush flapper from Fluidmaster. Set to flush half, 1.6 gallons or half a tank, whatever. The flush valve itself came from the Kohler portrait light that came out of the house in Parsippany about 4 years ago and got replaced by a 73 Cadet. Video of both toilets is still on YouTube, on my channel. I'm planning on possibly trading this handle out, of course keeping it, and flush valve for a tilt valve and an American Standard handle similar to the one on that blue Cadet right there, if you can see it in the background. So, I plan on installing this toilet in the next place I live. Hopefully it'll be an apartment with its own bath. Right now I'm in a rooming house. So, and there is an efficiency apartment there, which hopefully someday will become vacant so that I can move in there. The toilet that's in there is a 98 or 1999 Gerber Aqua Saver, and it's not very good. So, and because of the small size of the bathroom, I have to use a round bowl toilet in order for it to fit properly. So, there in a nutshell is what I have right now. And I'm looking forward to hopefully installing this someday soon. These and the Cadets are my favorites. Alright. So for now, this is what we have. Take care and see you in the next video.